Hello, this is Nazmul Islam and welcome to all of my Green Planet and 3Speak friends. Today is 12 March of 2024. So I'll start my Green Planet mission today here. So stay with me. I come here in such a crop land, agricultural land. So stay with me how I clean this. So I come here this beautiful green land. You can watch how beautiful this is. It was a crop lands here. So I can find out this in these beautiful crops. This you can watch this plastic bag. I also find this one from this also. It looks like old one here. You can watch. It will damage the and reduce the capacity of the environment, and also it decrease the capacity of production here in this beautiful land. You can watch this beautiful crop. So we should not throw this from here and there. I find this another plastic here. Oh, this is a beautiful crop. It look like clean. But I find out this cigarette pit here in this beautiful land. So it should not be thrown by people. I will get another chips packet. I get very big plastic. I also get another cigarette pit here. So I collect all of this. You can watch me. I collect all of this from the beautiful land. So let's collect it. Watch me. All of the cigarette packs and all of the plastic packets and dust has been collected this box, and I will throw it in a dustbin. So that's all from me today. Thanks all.